run a manufacturing business, then you know how difficult it can be to keep everything running smoothly. All the connected elements and the different stages of the manufacturing process need to work in tandem for everything to succeed. You need to stay in control over every aspect of your business, and to do that you need complete visibility over the entire process. In this video, we will discuss how Cim50 and Cim200 could help you to stay in control over every aspect of your manufacturing business. Managing stock into and out of your business is a vitally important role, and if mishandled, it can represent delayed projects, lost revenue, and unhappy customers. Both Cim50 and Cim200 offer comprehensive stock control capabilities, allowing you to track and maintain stock levels within your business. You can track batch and serial number movements, showing a detailed history and costing breakdown across the manufacturing process, so you always know where your stock is and where it's come from. Cim200 even offers a stock projection feature. This allows you to see a forecast projection of stock position in the future, allowing you to make important decisions early. Being in control of your manufacturing projects requires the ability to monitor things from start to finish, and that is easier with the use of a graphical scheduler. This is a visual way to see the timeline of projects as well as the resources required to complete them. The graphical scheduler takes data directly from Sage50 or Sage200 and then lets you see the plan based on them. You can then manipulate and change this plan as you wish, using the what if functionality to see if the suggested timeline fits. Once you are happy with the suggested timeline, you can confirm it and send the data back to the system. Once a project comes in, you set up the stock and the bill of materials for it, but to really stay in control, you need to monitor it from start to finish. You need to ensure that the work is being done and on time. Both Cim50 and Cim200 offer works orders modules, giving you complete visibility over your projects. So you can track the estimated versus actual costs of materials, machines, overheads, and subcontractors. Cim200 even offers trial kitting functionality. This allows you to test and see if your stock levels are sufficient to fulfill the works orders demand. If not, you can then raise replenishment orders quickly and easily from one screen. At Solutions for Accounting, we pride ourselves on offering you the right solutions for your business. Our manufacturing offerings can help you to speed up your manufacturing processes while staying in control and saving costs. If you are interested in learning more about Cim50 or Cim200, please use the links in the description, or you can get in touch with our experts directly. You can call us on 0115 840 5075, or you can send us an email at inquiries@solutionscloud.uk.